In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the card ID of cards on your Trello board. If you're involved in project management or just love staying organized, you might already be familiar with Trello. It's a fantastic tool for collaborating on tasks, but sometimes finding specific details like the card ID can be a little tricky. Don't worry though, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to Trello.com. This is where the magic begins. If you're not logged in already, you'll see the option to log in right at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll be prompted to enter your login details. If you've registered with your email address, just type that in along with your password. Alternatively, you might have signed up with your Google account, and if that's the case, there's a handy option right there to log in using Google. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Trello homepage. Next, navigate to the Boards tab, which you'll find in the menu. This section is essentially the heart of Trello, where all your boards live. If you're working with multiple boards, you'll notice a section called Your Workspaces. This is where you can view all the boards you're a part of. Simply scroll through and click on the board that you're interested in. After you've opened the board, it's time to locate the specific card you're working with. Browse through the lists and select the card you want to examine. Clicking on the card will open up its details. With the card open, direct your attention to the Share button, usually found towards the top of the card details view. Clicking Share will reveal a section titled Link to this card. This is where Trello provides a direct link to the card. Now here's the key step. The link to your card will appear, and embedded within this link is the card ID you're looking for. Specifically, you'll want to focus on the series of letters and numbers that come directly after "see old" in the URL. That's the card ID. It's that simple but so crucial if you need to automate processes or integrate with other tools. And there you have it, your card ID is now in your hands. Feel free to copy it and use it as needed for your projects. Whether you're looking to synchronize with third-party applications, automate workflows, or just organize your work better, knowing how to find your card ID is a useful skill. Remember, Trello is packed with features designed to streamline your workflow, and understanding these small details can make a big difference. Keep exploring and happy organizing.